This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing tutorials, or live day trades, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm currently watching SPY here. I am looking for a potential short opportunity. Let's see what the price action brings. I am now in the trade. I bought 6 put contracts at 50 cents, and I am expecting the price of SPY to continue lower. Let's see what happens with the price action. I'm holding one contract here to see if we can get continuation to the downside, but it looks like we're starting to get a little bit of a bounce here. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this trade. We're pushing a little bit higher here, and I'm going to go ahead and lock in my profits here. Alright, so I am all out of the trade for $105 of profit, which equates to a 35% gain. So not a bad start to the day. We're just now 33 minutes into the trading day. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.